the time your friends joins, can anyone summarize what has happened in the last class? Yeah, muted. Yeah, who is going to summarize? No one?
We done the problem service, all the max term and min terms problems based on that.
Okay. So went through with the min-term, max-term problem. Good. Then?
Get simple form also.
So I think I gave a few problems. Everyone solved?
Yes, sir, but I did not get that.
Pardon? But did not?
I got only one sum answer, sir.
Answer was not matched.
Only one sum was correct, sir. Yesterday I did, but I got only one. For one question, I got correct answer, sir.
Okay. Others? Others?
Got sir, but
Yeah, Sahana, louder. It's not
sir,
audible.
we got sir that sum into min term and max term, that answers sir.
Answers are not matching.
Sir, you did not give answers for that.
Okay. Now fewer exercise problem. We'll check out. But you got the logic now how to solve the problem of min term, max term?
Yes.
Yeah. We'll continue the next topic. So very important topic. So everyone, board is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's check out the share screen option. So screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, I think we covered how many problems here? 4 to 5?
6 problems, sir, I think.
Okay, good. So today we'll go for the next concept called as K-map. So just a minute. Okay. So board is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's try to understand what is the meaning of K-map today. Okay. Yeah. See, in the last class, we went through with some problems based on your SOP and POS, right? So we solved problems on min term, max term, and I told you if they give Boolean expression, how to get the min term, and similarly, if they give you the truth table, how to get the min term and max term. Okay. So what was the representation of min term? How do you represent min term?
Sigma m.
Sigma m.
Small m.
Whenever we talk about the SOP or the min term, it is represented by sigma with a small m. Okay. So similarly, if it is POS,
Pi big
Pi
m.
m.
capital with capital M. So is it visible? Screen is visible to everyone?
No, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Screen is
No,
not visible?
No, sir. No, sir. It's visible, sir.
The board here, not the screen. I'm not
No.
sharing anything.
Board is visible, sir.
Board is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So you pin that, otherwise it will be keep moving. So pin it, pin to my ID. So the movement won't happen. So what is written on the board? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
See, today's topic is very, very important. The next level of your model number 1. See, actually you went through with the Boolean expression. So what was the ultimate goal? What was the ultimate goal from Boolean expression? What you did here? What you have achieved from Boolean expression reduction technique? I'm not getting answer. What you did with Boolean expression here? The complex expression, reduce it to what? All are sleeping.
We have simplified it, sir.
Simplified, right? See, why you want to simplify the given Boolean expression?
To reduce
For
the
what
number of
purpose you need
gates.
to simplify?
To reduce the number of logic gates, sir.
So you need to reduce the logic circuits, right? So as much as gate if you reduce, so that much area you can save. Okay, that is the logic behind this, right? So likewise, what you learned in your Boolean expression, so you have experienced the few problems, right? So it was like little bit lengthy process, right? So in order to overcome this, so the name of a scientist called Karnoff, okay, the name of a scientist called Karnoff. So he has generated one table representation. So he has generated a table representation for your different alignment. Okay, he has shown how to reduce the Boolean expression without solving the way you solved in the last classes. Okay, so what was done in the last class was the first method, a normal method. So now the same thing we can reduce using your logic of K-map. So name of a scientist was Karnoff. So they are designated as K-map. So you're representing a table format or a map format. So that is what we are going to learn today. So my voice is clear. Any disturbance in the voice?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
fine.
sir.
Yeah. So today we'll deal with the next concept called K-map. See, there also same thing. SOP will come, POS will come. Okay. So K-map is applied for separately SOP expression and separately for POS expression. So don't make yourself confusion. So we will go one by one. Okay. So let me tell you. The heading what I told was K-map. See, before going to solve the problem, just have an awareness what is the meaning of this K-map and how it may applicable. Okay. So as I said, K-map is applied for SOP expression separately and POS expression separately. Okay. So if I say POS expression or SOP expression, let me take example of SOP. So everyone know the format of SOP, right? Sum of product. So for example, I can take some equation A bar, B bar, C plus A, B, C plus so on. So whenever you see such kind of expression, so this is a part of SOP. Okay. So nothing but your minterm. Nothing but minterm. So minterm logic, everyone know it is logically 0 or logically 1.
Logical one.
Good. So logical 1. So it is preferred for logical 1. Okay. So what is the meaning of this K-map is they are going to give you a Boolean expression like this. So it may involve n number of things. So how we reduce using the previous technique, no, a normal Boolean algebra technique. So now we'll deal with a K-map. So this K-map is occurred in different formats. Okay. So if it is 2 variable, how to get? If it is 3 variable, if it is 4 variable, how we would get? We'll check out. Okay. So assume that your function is given with a 3 variable A, B and C. So if a function is written with a 3 variable A, B and C, it means the equation will be in the format of these 3 only, correct? So the equation of what they are given the question will be having this. Now they will ask you to solve this SOP using K-map. So read the question carefully. If K map is not there in the question, you need to solve the way we have solved in the last class. Okay. If they ask use K map, then how to solve is what we are dealing. Okay. So now assume that there is a 3 variable. So how the K map representation comes? I am just showing the representation today. So means in this session. So then after understanding how to represent, let's go for the problem solving. Okay. So before going for problem, I want you to understand clearly what is the meaning of K map and how to apply for SOP separately and POC separately. Okay. So assume that it is a 3 variable. So then how to represent a K map? So if I say 3 variable, how many combinations you will get?
8 combination.
8.
8 combinations. Because now it is 2 power n. I told inputs are 3. So it is 2 power 3 which is equals to 8. So the board is visible till where I am writing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. So what you should do whenever you see 8 combination, so you should make a table such a way that there should be 8 box, right? So in simple words, I will tell you should have 2 rows and 4 columns. Is it equal to 8? Is it equal to 8, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what I wrote, I made a 3 variable. So now I am representing a K map for this 3 variable. I told inputs are 3. It means you will get 8 combinations. So you should have 8 boxes, right? So how to align this? You need to mark the thing like this. A will be here and BC will be here. I'll repeat. If it is a 3 variable, how to represent a K map? How to represent a K map? It says what? It says it should have 8 boxes. 8 boxes are there and represent one input this side and remaining 2 either side. If it is 3 variable, this is a rule from the K map. Okay. So then I can get 2 options. If it is single variable, so it means it is 2 power 1. So I can get 2 combinations, right? So 2 combinations are zeros and 1. Zeros and 1. Okay. So if it is BC, how many combinations? How many combinations?
4
if it is
combinations.
BC?
4.
4.
4 combinations, correct na? So I can write as 0 0, okay, then 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 in general, okay. So this is how we used to write, correct. But always remember the K map tells that whenever you find such a table, so numbering is done like this. 0 is here, 1 is here, and you're not supposed to mark 2 here. So the marking of 2 comes here, then followed by 3. I'll repeat. So understand the representation first, then only you can solve the problem. So I am discussing with respect to 3 variable. So what I told, make 8 boxes, then A representing 0 1, then BC 0 0 0 1. I wrote in order in general because that is what you used to write, right? But according to K map, it says that you need to write 0 1, not 2 3, 2 3 here. Is it clear what I told? So if you write like this, then what should be done here? So your 2 is where now? Your 2 is at the end. So this is 2 and this is 3. Am I clear everyone till here first of all?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts anyone till here?
Yeah.
See, if you have doubt you can ask, because if you know how to do the alignment here, then remaining I will teach you how to solve the problem. Is it fine? Is it clear? So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 because its order is 0 1 2 3. So what can be here now? It's 4 5 6 is here, 7 comes here. So what I am writing, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So have we got the alignment for 3 variable now? I didn't represent 4 variables still. Have we got the logic for 3 variable? Any doubts anyone? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See how to do the alignment part. We have discussed what is going to be filled there. That we will discuss later. Before that, let's have an overview of the K-map. How the alignment is done. So now I showed for your 3 variable. So similarly, let me represent for 4 variable also. Then we will go further. Okay. So if I say 4 variable, how many combinations?
16
If I say 4
combinations.
variable, how many combinations? 16, correct, na?
16.
2 power 4, 16. So you need to have a table which is having what? 16
4 rows
boxes,
and
huh?
4 columns.
4 rows, 4 columns.
Yes or no?
Yes,
You
sir.
need to have a
Yes,
table
sir.
of 4 cross 4, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
4 into 4 will fetch you, will get 16 combination. So what you should do, you make a column, 4 column, followed by 4 rows. 4 column, followed by 4 rows. Is it equal to 16 now?
Yes, sir.
Is it equal to 16?
Yes, sir.
So what you should do now, if it was 3 variable, I told write A here, B, C here. So similarly, what can be written here? So what is the function now? Function is 4 variable means A, B, C and D. So whenever I say 4 variable, you will be having a functions A, B, C, D. So what can be written here?
AB.
What can be write?
0, 0.
AB.
AB.
You can write
AB.
AB first. Then this side.
CD.
Agree everyone? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, first understand this representation, then how to do the K-map concept I will teach you later. So now how many combinations will come here? 0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
Now tell me how to write here.
0, 1.
0.
How we written
1.
earlier in this row?
1,
0, 0, 0, 1,
1,
then
0.
1, 0 behind it.
1,
Same way here also. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 is here, then followed by 1, 1. Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here also 0, 0, 0, 1.
1, 0 at the end.
Yeah, Vikas?
Yes.
Yeah, Vikas, any doubt here?
No, sir. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, just one sec. Is it fine?
No, sir. Video stuck, sir.
Now am I audible?
It's like
I'm audible, yeah?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Screen is blurring.
Yeah, Vikas, repeat.
It's blur, sir. Screen.
Screen is not visible. Check out.
Blur, sir.
Screen is blur.
Now, okay, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, others, is it fine? You can see the table on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So let me proceed. See, whenever you get any network issue, just tell me, I'll repeat once more. Okay. So this is what we wrote till now, right? So how it looks for 3 variable, how it looks for 4 variable. Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. So till now what I showed, just alignment. See, this is what the 2 things you're going to play with this complete chapter, K-map. Or you can say complete syllabus also. So later also you can expect the K-map concept, right? Okay. Now listen. Let me take an example now. So alignment is done. So assume that the Boolean expression is given for you, and that they have asked in terms of your min term or SOP form. Okay. So I think I wrote an expression earlier. If I write here, is it visible? Just check out. Is it visible what I am writing here?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me take one simple example, then you'll understand in a better way. So they are given function 3 variable with a combination a bar bc plus a b bar c plus A, B, C. So let me take a simple example first. So this is a given question. So question will be for the given function, is it in which form? SOP or POS?
SOP.
Good. So this is in SOP form, right? So for this, they will ask you to minimize the expression using K-map. I'll repeat. The function of 3 variable is given. They will ask you to minimize using K-map. Okay. Now, earlier what you used to do? You used to check out the missing term, used to multiply, simplify, right? So now look at this. Any missing term is there? Everywhere ABC is there, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we can't proceed with the earlier method what we went through to reduce this, right? How to deal? Just look at carefully now. You need to search this in this table. You need to search this given equation in this table. So how to check out? Just listen carefully. So from this, can you tell me where is A bar? So can you call this as A bar and this as A? Everyone agree? Your A is here, right, in the table. Once you see the question, using K-map means write 8 box K-map, variable A is here and BC is here. So now A 0 means A bar, 1 means A. Is it fine everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is this
Yes,
now?
sir.
What is this side? What is 0 0 means what?
B bar,
B
C
bar,
bar.
C bar.
B bar, C bar,
So write as B bar, C bar. Then
C bar. B bar, C.
B bar,
B
C.
bar, C.
Then
B,
BC.
C.
C.
B,
B,
C.
C bar.
B,
B,
So
C
is it
bar.
visible? Say I'm changing the color. Is it visible everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts anyone till here? I just represented the binary terms in terms of my Boolean expression. Okay. Till here it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. If the question is in terms of, this is, you already told this is in terms of SOP form. So we know SOP means output logical 0, logical 1.
1.
Logical 1.
Logical 1. So now what you should do, you need to fill this table with ones. How to fill with ones? Understand carefully. So search where exactly this A bar BC is present. Can anyone tell me where is A bar BC? Belongs to which row, which column of the table? So A bar is here.
Third
Third,
row.
sir.
A bar is here. Where is BC? Is it
First row,
this?
third
Yes.
column.
So can you tell
Yes.
first row and third
Third.
column?
Yes, sir.
Agree
Yes,
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there I will fill with
1.
1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me next? Can you tell me where is A, B bar, C for me? Where is
Second
A?
Second,
Second row.
second
First
column.
row, fourth
Next B bar C. B bar C belongs to
second
the
row,
fourth
second
column. Is it fourth column?
Second row, second column.
Second column.
Second row,
Row,
second column.
The cell number 5. See, if you want, you can designate. I told you, right? Designation 0, 1, 2, 3. That cell number also you can tell, not an issue. So it means that I can mark 1 here. So what is left out?
A, B,
ABC.
A, B, C.
Tell me where is ABC?
7.
7.
7, sir.
7.
So any doubts, anyone with this? Say, understand a simple example, the logic behind, then the procedure to solve the K-map I will teach you. Still we didn't went to reduction of any expression using your K-map. I just show you the alignment, how it looks. Any doubts, anyone till here?
No,
Any doubts, anyone till here, the representing way? Am I? Anybody want me to repeat the concept? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now listen carefully. Now comes your logic of K-map. Okay. So here we need to group the things. Group the number of ones. See, I hope everyone got Y8 in right 0 here. See, it's understood. it's understood the things where I have filled 1, remaining are zeros only. Remaining are zeros only. Even if you write or not write, it's fine, not an issue. But remaining cells you can fill with 0. Understood why? Because only at this 3 position your min-term equation exists. So remaining all 0 only. This is what you learned in the previous section. Is it fine till here? Now comes your grouping. Whether I want to group it pairwise or quad-wise or octawise. I will repeat. Pairing takes place, reduction of Boolean expression in K-map. I can pair 2. I can pair quad, means 4. I can pair octa, means 8. Okay. So now look at here. From this example, can you tell me, is it quad or oct or pair?
Pair, sir.
Pair, sir.
It's pair, right? See, pair means
Yes.
I can mark this as 1 pair. No need to leave this individually. You can take this also as 1 more pair. Am I clear till here? I'm just showing simple example like this. Once you understand this, you can get n number of problems to solve. Different alignments will come. That will deal later. Don't worry till then. So am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So I told
Yes, sir.
grouping of K-map comes in 3 package. 1 pairing with respect to 2 binary numbers. Next with respect to 4, that is your quad, and then with respect to your 8, that is octa. So now in this particular example I can do the first option, pairing of 2. So this pair and this pair. Okay. So if we say yes till here, I can proceed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we will see how the expression will be reduced. How the expression can be reduced using my K-map logic. Okay, listen carefully. So this was the original question, right? So now let's see how this we can express to simple way. Look at here. I have combined these two. I have combined these two. So what is A bar equal to? Let me write first, then you tell the answer. After combining, listen carefully. After combining these two cells, you need to compare the horizontal as well as the vertical. Means the A as well as BC. So if you look at this vertical, I can write it as A bar A. Then this combination is BC. Agree everyone? You got our out the equation? This is paired, right? This paired combination is 0, 1. 0 means A bar, 1 means A. Because I need to write in terms of an variable. Then this is the only term. BC is the only term having here, right? So I can write BC. So what is A into A bar equals to?
1.
1. Very good. So you
Yes.
can designate this nothing but 1. So do you think there is any A term in the first variable?
No, sir.
So we're left out with only BC. Any doubts? Anyone with this? Now can you tell me what is the equation for next pair? So these two pair. So what is there? These two pair correspondingly check out. This two pair is matching with A. So let me write A as it is first. A is done. Now compare these two. If we have, see, first time you are doing means let me write as it is. Or if understood, you can pick the common terms from that. I can write like this also. From this two, let me write. Then you will only tell me. It is like this. Agree? So this two it's B bar C and BC. So what is going to eliminate there now?
B bar and B.
So what is B bar equals to? 1.
1.
And what is C equals to?
C.
Again
C
1.
only. So everyone remember what we discussed? A bar is equals to 1 as we told, right? So similarly it is applied to B bar also. That is also equal to 1. Then we know the logic A into A is equals to A only, correct? So that logic I am implementing here. So B bar goes away and C becomes. So what is the reduced expression now? So you're going to get BC plus A. Artha aitappa ellargo?
Yes.
Everyone got? So look
Yes,
at
sir.
what's the expression? How many gates you had and how many we are reduced? Is it called as a simplified Boolean expression now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is the way you need to analyze the K-map if they give, and this question is for SOP expression. So same way if they give POS, can you tell me the changes? If it is POS expression, then the question will be
A plus
bar
A plus
plus B plus C
Plus C
plus
into
C bar.
into dot product, right? Into A plus B bar
plus
C
B
plus
bar
C
plus C
into A plus B
A
plus
plus
C.
B plus.
Then how will you mark the things in your K-map? Will you mark one again?
0.
Very good.
Zero.
So you're going to mark the zeros. Artha aitappa logic ellargo? Anybody any doubts till here? Anybody any doubts till here?
No, sir.
Have you got the logic of 3 variable now?
Yes, sir.
So will you solve one problem now on 3 variable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write on the question now. Write on the question.
Yes, sir.
You solve one problem, you will understand in a better way. So the question is, minimize the expression they are given y equals, so let me erase this. Try to understand the way to solve the problem. So this will give you a reduction technique like earlier step. It is having more advantage than the earlier, correct now? So they are given y equals, question is given y equals, what is the question? A B bar C, A B bar C plus A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C plus A bar B C, A bar B C plus A B bar C bar, A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar using K-map. So question is minimize the expression. So expression is given using K-map. See, nowhere in the exam or the question will tell you this question belongs to SOP or POS form. That you should know. So in this question anywhere they have mentioned this is a part of SOP.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They are not mentioned. They are only given the expression. By that expression, you should grab the things and you should make yourself a judgment that this is a part of SOP and proceed with the K-map and try to mark number of ones and group it. Let me see how will you group. I told the option. Let me see. You try once. You can do 2 at a time or 4 at a time and 8 at a time. So this is many things are there, many procedures are there to align it. So let's check out once. Solve it. So plot a 8 cells table for me. So I want everyone to solve this. If you understand, then further it will be easy for you. So plot a 8 cell. So inputs are 3 variables. So A and BC. You need to write this. Don't make in a hurry. Everything should be written. So cell number also you can mention 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till now I didn't went for 4x4. I am currently in 3x3. I mean in your 8 variable table. So we'll deal that 4 later. So first I want to understand this K-map. Yeah. Can you tell me?
One
How many
quad
ones?
and one pair, sir.
Pardon?
One quad and one pair.
Yeah, quad and pair you will get. Okay, good. Before that, can you tell me how many cells having one?
0,
Cell
1,
number
1,
is
3,
0,
4,
1,
5.
3.
0,
0,
1,
1,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
3, 4,
This
5.
is also one. This is also one. This is also one.
4,
Then
5. 5.
4, 5. That's all.
Sir,
That's all.
So
So
2 is
remaining two
not.
are zeros.
sir, 2 will not have 1, sir.
Pardon? 2 is
2
not
is
given.
2
0,
has
sir.
0.
Yeah, this is also 0. So only this much.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
remaining
Yes, sir.
things I can fill with zeros for your reference. But since it is your SOP form, this much is enough. Correct? Huh? So how to group now? So can I call this completely 4 as one group and this 2 as one group. See, if you take only this individual, tell me what happens. You will get extra thing, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now what is the equation now? So from this 4, this becomes 1 and the common terms are what?
B
Only?
bar.
B
You will
bar.
get, you will get only
B
what?
B
bar.
bar.
B bar.
Tell the equation here.
B bar. C bar.
So from this 2, what is the expression I'm expecting from you people?
B bar. C bar. B bar.
A bar? B louder here.
Sorry, B bar plus A bar.
B bar. C bar.
B bar, C bar. Okay. Then you write, if you're getting doubt means you just write. This 4 is what the combination we have made, right? So from this 4, what the expression you can write? So this 2, let me write as it is first. A bar A, then this 2 combination, B bar, C bar, then B bar C. This is how it looks. If I combine, see, no need to mention like this in the expression. Since we are doing for the first time for under C bar also. Correct? Huh? So what is left out then?
B bar, sir.
What is left out?
B bar. B
B
bar.
bar.
C bar. C.
Only B bar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Every will goes to just a B bar. Then plus
A bar. C.
what is next?
A bar.
A
C.
bar. C.
So here I can get A bar and BC. C is a common term. So I can get the expression this way. So is it what a simplified expression what you got at the end? B bar plus
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
bar.
A bar. Got how many gates? How many gates you have? Am I audible here? Is it breaking? Am I
Okay.
audible?
Yes, sir.
One set, I think network. Check out now.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think network going, coming. I've connected mobile here. Fine. So you can look at the things, right? How much complexity was there in the given Boole expression, but after using K-map, look at the things. So I don't think so you would have got so simple expression using your earlier method without using your K-map. So now everyone got the logic of K-map, the advantage of K-map. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, whenever you mark the grouping, so you try to highlight with a pencil in the exam so that the grouping should be different from this. If red in pen also not an issue. So just make sure it looks something different, the alignment. Okay. So any doubts anyone with this 3 variable now? Anybody doubts with this 3 variable?
No, sir.
So shall we go next with 4 variable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before going for 4 variable, so let me tell you the different possibilities. What are things you can group the things? What are different possible way to group it? Let me show all the possible ways for you, so that it will be helpful for you while solving next problems. So ultimate goal, we found that using K-map, reduction can be happened easily. Okay. So let me plot the table once more. So what are the possible ways you can expect? Let me show you. Right? So A, B, C. Okay. So now I have got everyone got 0, 1, 2, 3 cell number. Okay. So assume that the combinations were like this. The combinations were like this. So let me mark the cell. Now I want you to tell the combination. Is it quad? Is it pairing? Yeah. Can you tell me? Is it visible what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me how to pair this now? How to group it?
Sir, one
Quads.
quad and one pair, sir.
Quad. See, first thing our mind will tell that I can do this in this way. Correct now? So instead of that, can I take like this? Agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, first see all the possibility. If you take like this, nothing will happen. Extra equation will come. Our intention is to reduce as much as possible. Okay. So you can take this and this combined. It's like folding, right? If you fold this, all 4 come together. But this is individual. This is individual only. We can't do anything for that. Agree? Everyone agree? Have you got the logic?
Yes.
Okay. Is it fine with you? So you got this folding concept, right? So same way, assume that. So the alignment will be like this. Then tell me how to do. So I will write 1 here. Okay. So 1 here, 1 here, and 1 more here. Yeah. If it is like this, how to group now?
2 pairs.
How many pairs?
2.
How many will say 2 pairs? Anyone will tell there are 3 pairs, sir.
3, sir.
3, correct, huh? See, I can group this as 1 and this as 1. This is individual, but I can club this and this also. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
So now you got the logic, how to do the things. If all are having 1, then if all cell consistently having 1, then how many?
Octane.
Octane. So you can combine all this to 1 and you can show it is equal. So am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there are many concepts still to be learned in this K-map. We are just know the basic terms. If there is no possibility only to do any pairing, then comes your don't care conditions. That we'll teach later. Don't care conditions means if there is no possibility only to pair, then I should add some dummy variable called x. So x means either 0 or 1. That is called the meaning of don't care. Irrespective of 0, 1, you can do the alignment or pairing or grouping. That will deal later. So now I hope everyone got clear with the 3 variable.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take one example for your 4 variable. But before going for that, just make sure the alignment is not the same way how we do it here. I'll repeat, listen here. So this you got A, B, C, D, this category you got, and there should be 16 box. Now listen, the cell number will be 0, 1, 2, 3. The first row will be as it is. Second row is also same, 5, 6. So here, okay, but you're not supposed to write here. Why? Because 1, 0 is here. So 1, 0 is here. See, after 0, 1, your 3 won't come, right? 2 will come. So that's why after 7, alignment should be here. 8, 9, 10, 11. Then comes 12, 13, 14, 15. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is a mistake you will commit. See, if you do the reverse operation, then there will be different answer. So don't make such mistakes. Why I told you got right? 0, 1, that's why I filled completely as it is. But 2 is here. If 2 is here, I can't write 8 here. So that's why 8, 9, 10, 11, then this is the last, fill with this. So this is the alignment of cells whenever it comes with respect to my 4x4 variables. Okay, so 16 combinations. So let's take one example now. So then analyze it. Read on the question. So minimize the expression. So they give an expression for you. Y equals. So I want you to solve now. So y equals A bar B C D bar, A bar B C bar D bar, C bar D bar plus A B C bar D. See, we can pick whatever things you want, just we need to understand the things. Okay, plus A B C D, A B C D plus A B bar C bar D bar. Okay, so last one plus A bar B bar C bar D. Okay, just one simple example I've taken. First solve for this, then let's go for the complexity level. Later will increase. So can you tell me which cell numbers are filled with ones now? See, the cell number is just for your reference. You write it smaller way. Don't make this number itself as a complete block. Okay. Yeah. Cell number. Where is A bar B, C bar D bar belongs to? Am I clear?
4.
Can you tell me which cell numbers I should fill?
4.
Cell number? 4. Okay, good. So A bar B C bar D bar is here. Okay, see, if you have doubt, you just mark it for your reference. You can mark like this. So then you can compare the things easily. You can mark the things above for your reference. Okay, so since you need to practice this, so you can reference like this. Okay, so now you told 4. So you will fill with 1. Next, where is A, B, C bar D? 9. Okay. Then
13.
3.
3.
Sir, 13.
13.
Sir, not 9, 13.
9 is there. A bar B, C bar D is there. A bar B, no. A bar B, C D are not there. Just check out. The question is AB. AB is here. AB, C bar D is here. 13 is done. Next, A, B, C, D. A, B is here. C, D is here. So 15 should be 1. Correct, na? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, next. A, B bar, C bar D.
8.
8. Okay. A, B bar, C, D. Next, last
1.
1.
1.
1. Now grouping. So this, how will you group now? This is not a 4. Gap is there. Don't combine this blindly. Okay. So don't combine this blindly. So only this pairing is done. This one possible. This one possible. Then is it individual? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So got the logic, everyone? Any doubts? So from this, finalize the expression. Okay. So I hope everyone got the logic of your K-map today. So this much is enough for today's session. So if anybody have doubts, you can ask. Any doubts, anyone? So I hope the screen is visible. So any doubts, you can ask. Is it fine? Everyone, is it fine?
Sir, at block 3, it's 0, sir.
Enapa?
Cell
At
3 is
block
0,
3.
sir.
Yes, sir.
0.
Block 3 is 0.
Yes, sir.
5 is 1.
So only 5 you have given, but you have not 6.
2, 4, 6,
Cell
7.
3 is 0, sir.
Yeah. One something I've missed extra.
3
Which one?
3,
5
sir.
is 1.
3.
3
is
is
0.
not there. ABC. Yeah, this is not there.
Yes.
This is
5
not
is there.
So it means these 3 are separate and this is paired. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So you can enter your attendance in the chat box along with your number and you can leave. So thank you. See you tomorrow. So just mark the doubts, whatever things you have. So tomorrow we'll try to solve few more problems. Okay. So enter your USN and you can leave.